Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been in an argument where both sides just refuses to shut up? No matter how silly the topic is, everyone just wants to say one last thing just to feel that they have won. Well, guess what? Everybody thinks they are right. Everybody has an excuse for everything. And everybody wants to have that one last word. But why though? Let me break it down really quick. First of all, we all want to prove we are right. Obviously, that is true. Secondly, our ego is fragile. Admitting we are wrong feels like we lost something. And thirdly, let me be honest, we always have a reason for what we do, even if it makes zero sense. Do you agree with me? Yeah. This happens everywhere, from Twitter fights to family WhatsApp group debates. Even in history, even Osama bin Laden had a reason for what he did. But here is the real tea. Having the last word doesn't mean you win. Most arguments are over dumb things like who left the fans on? Why is there no salt in the food? Who touched the remote last? Instead of draining your energy, do this instead. First one, just smile, stay silent and let them have their victory. Secondly, keep your peace, save your time and avoid unnecessary dramas. Because sometimes silence is the ultimate mic drop. Therefore, let me tell you, are you someone who needs to have the last word, or are you gonna let it go from today? Drop a comment below and you can have the last word there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.